Hello everyone, my name is Scott. Today, super excited because we're gonna unbox a new camera, and this is the Sony ZV1. You've probably seen this on YouTube already, but to me, they say it's actually made for content creators. Very curious to see what's inside the box, and let's get into it. Sony ZV1, let's go. Okay, here we go. This is the Sony ZV1. Let's see what's inside. So of course, start from on top, we got all documents we don't need. The main camera, let's put it aside first, we'll take a look later. Let's check out the what they included. It's the MP-BX1, not bad, let's put it aside. I got the micro USB charging cord. You know what, not a Type-C yet, but that's okay. And finally, they got a deck cap, mini deck cap. You clip it on just like you see in the box right here. And that's pretty much it in the box. So let's put the box aside now. Now let's take a look at the main event. Sound effect. This is it. Oh wow, it is just stunningly beautiful. So let's check it out here. The bottom. So this is where they get the memory card and the battery. You got the cord here. You got the mic, charging cord USB, and HDMI. The main event. They have a flip screen. No, the logo's upside down, but that's okay. But wow, finally took them long enough to have a various angle touchscreen. This is awesome. Sony, if you're finally listening to everyone. So yeah, flip screen seems promising. Alright, so let's switch back and take a close look at the Sony ZV1. You know, I'm sorry, I'm just overjoyed with the flip screen. And yes, I know other camera does it, but in the Sony, finally listen to us suggesting having a flip screen, and especially if you're vlogging. So basically like this, point and shoot like that. The flip screen helps so much. Let's go over a few specs of the Sony ZV1. So we're gonna go with the 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixel, 24 to 70 millimeter, f1.8 to 2.8. So that's extremely useful because in low light situation, it helps you a lot. We got the face detection, 315 autofocus point. Wow, that's a lot of points. So pretty much you won't miss any action because that's the points everywhere across the screen. There's one really interesting feature is that the animal eye autofocus. We'll definitely go to a zoo or something, a dog park or cat's park. We're going to do a photo of the lion, the snakes, any animal you name it, and let's see if the Sony's animal eye autofocus will lock on. So what really interests me is the built-in mic. They say it's pretty good because we all know the built-in camera's mic not really good unless you have a microphone on top of it. But of course, we're going to do an audio quality test to see with the built-in mic versus the hot shoe mounted mic. Finally, they got the bokeh switch right here, the C1, and also product showcase C2 button. We're going to test out those two features in the next few videos as well. So overall, the Sony ZV1, pretty promising little camera. I'm going to do a vlog test, the audio test, and of course the animal eye focus tracking. If you have any suggestions, feel free to drop in a comment below. That's it for now. This has been the Sony ZV1 unboxing. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. It would be very awesome. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.